Welcome to the Grand Canyon, where fantasy and reality meld into one astounding timepiece under the rising sun. It's about 5 to 6 million years old, although some bottom layers are almost half the Earth's age at over 1.8 billion years old. Remarkably, already at 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide and over a mile deep, it's still growing as the Colorado River continues carving its banks, building this towering masterpiece from the bottom up. It's also home to over 500 species of animals, including the rare California condor and the magnificent Grand Canyon elk, distinguishable by their distinctive white tails and elegant demeanor. In this grand palace of nature, moods, dreams, and wonders are as high as the clouds. Memories are almost as tangible as rock, because the ones you form with nature, no matter where around the globe, will always stay with you, embedded, eternal. This is millennia in the making. Ceaseless and patient, nature always prevails with something even more stunning than the last. Palettes of purple and blue, dusted with the sheen of a mystical golden and pink glow that only such miracles undertaken can pull off. And miraculously, the Grand Canyon is still growing, even more spectacular, expanding, for the ages to come. This trail is no less than a tunnel back in time. A few million years ago, during the Ice Age, woolly mammoths, saber-toothed cats, and a giant ground sloth called the continent's home. And at the very roots, the Grand Canyon was born, inch by inch of rock eroded, sculpted with quiet toil, when humans were no more than slouching ape descendants roaming African hills, soon to be taking their first steps on two legs. A leap in time, indeed. Here, nestled in the quiet heart of things, is the instigator to all this erosion. The same river whose wrath many would take pains to block with dams, carved an utter masterpiece, persistent, forever flowing, forever breaking, forever churning, forever creating. At this perspective, you can see the many climates battling to take hold of elevation. A mossy green blanket of trees covers the northern rim, while the lower elevations remain deserted, relentless stretches of red sandstone and plateaus. The Grand Canyon, a mystical place. Its shadows hold mysteries of the past. The light sheds hope for the future.
Have you raised your hand after me? I promise to discover all I can about the Grand Canyon and share my discoveries with others. I pledge to enjoy and protect the Grand Canyon and all national parks, and to be a friend to my planet Earth. Sweet, good job.
Facets of this beautiful earthly face, Finally, the insignificance and smallness of humans and the scale of nature is put into perspective. Nature truly has nourished us with her blessings, has taken us up with a caressing motherly hand. Another day, another sunset, another sunrise, another millennia of beauty in the making. It's time to give back.